Hi, fellow pottery peeps. Karen here. Today I'm on camera. I don't usually like to get on camera, even though way back in the day I used to be an actress, but no acting today. Today I'm just going to be following a great recipe that was given to me from Jerry Bennett, a fantastic paper clay artist, to make my own underglazes. I used to be really scared of doing things like this. I never thought I'd make my own underglazes when I started out making pottery and or glazes. I haven't done that yet, but I thought I would show you this because it's really very simple. It's really like following a recipe when you're cooking in the kitchen. The only difference is that there's a lot of dusty chemicals involved, so you don't want to do this without some type of mask. I have this serious mask here. You can probably just use the construction mask too. Just anything to protect yourself so that you're not you're not breathing in any of these powders when we're mixing them. So I have everything laid out here, and I have all the containers. We are using, let's see, Silica, Nepheline, EPK, OM4 ball clay, Borax, and Bentonite is going to be used in our recipe. So mask up and we'll get started. I hope you can hear me. Don't I look pretty? It goes with my glasses. There we go. I actually got this for Raku, but it's good to have, keep all those nasty chemicals out. I look like I'm going scuba diving or something. I should be going through the water. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I have this old Weight Watchers scale here. Okay, the first thing I want to do here on the scale is to zero this out because it says 99 grams, and I have it on grams. So I'm zeroing that out. So now I'm going to start with 300 grams of silica. So we'll just see how much that, and I'm putting it in kind of slowly because I want to try to keep my proportions correct. All right, we've got plenty to go here. That's 85 grams right there. Okay, I'm up to 161 grams. A little over 200 now. I want 300 grams of silica. Almost there. 268. 277. Oop, 292, almost there. Ooh, just a little bit more, we're at 295. Going slow, oh, okay, 300 exactly. Yay, all right. Now, I'm gonna put that in there. Put the silica away so I don't mix anything up. Okay, next we're going to use the Nepheline. We want 250 grams of Nepheline. I have to be sure to zero out the scale whenever I'm adding a new chemical so that I can tell how much of the new chemical I'm putting in. So right now this says 301 grams, I'm zeroing that out, and I want 250 grams of Nepheline. Okay, so almost a cup is 137 grams. So if I fill this about almost 3/4 of the way, I should be pretty close to 250. Okay. I have to kind of give it a second here because the scale sometimes has to think about it. 218, 225, 25 more grams, and we're at home. 237. Oh, come on, 249. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, come to mama. Okay, this stupid thing. Yep. And then it thinks about it, and it's just a slight bit over, but that's okay. I'm not going to worry about it too much. Okay, I'm going to zero that out. Put the Nepheline away. And then we're going to use kaolin. And we want 200 grams of the kaolin. The EPK. So I think just one of these should be pretty close to 200 grams. Oh no, it's about 100, not 200. Okay, so that's 93. Okay, I think this should do it. Okay, about 44 more grams. Well, okay, a few little grams over. Take a tiny bit out. There we go, it's 202. I don't want it too much over. Okay, and now we're going to move the EPK. Zero this out. And then we have the ball clay. And we also want 200 grams of the ball clay. So I think I need a bigger bowl. So I'm going to get a bigger bowl. Yeah, we should be okay. Okay. Yep, 200 grams of ball clay. Open, there we go. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna scoop. I'm not even gonna worry about using a spoon. So here we go with the ball clay. I shouldn't get sloppy like that. Try to get it going a little quicker here. All right, 177, 200 on the money. Yee! All right, and we only need a little bit of borax and a little bit of bentonite, and we're good to go. Get that out of the way. Okie dokie. Borax, 50 milligrams. So let's zero this out. Don't worry about that giant lump because we're going to sieve this. Okay, that's 50. And then we have, last but not least, the Bentonite, also at 50 milligrams. Oh, forgot to zero out. There we go. So that was 2 grams. I'll just make sure and only put 48 in. Okay, there we go. Okay, now that's our base, and we are going to mix it up and sieve it out next. So, okay, so here we are at the end. Just a little bit more there. Okay, it's not a super fine sieve like you would get with the Laguna clay one, but that's okay. Okay, so now we have it all sieved. I'm going to give it another stir because some of that borax was very lumpy. Now, it might look like there are some lumps in here, but if you touch a lump, you see it's not really. It's just that, you know, some of the particles staying together, but they're not lumps. Getting all underneath here. Giving it a good stir. Okay. So now, I'm going to get it into my container. Container in here in case there's any overflow. Look how nice and smooth that is now. Lovely. I haven't made this in a while, so this is actually going to fill my container. Okay, so there we go. That's going to last me a long time. That is 2 pound. That is a 2 pound container of underglaze base.